Hi, welcome to Sal Digitals. My name is Paul. Today I'm gonna show you how you can speed up your video or slow down your video. Maybe you want to forward or slow down your video. But before we begin, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can also give it a thumbs up if you find value in my videos. You can also share with your friends. Now let's begin. Now after accessing the video, I'll just come to I'll use this to hover to the right place where I want to speed up. Maybe I want to speed up this part where I'm demonstrating of how you can use the lasso tool. What will I do? I'll right click here and split this. I'll split all of the videos. Then I'll roam until where I want to speed up, maybe up to somewhere here. Then I'll also come again, split all. Then I will have this section to speed up. The next thing I'm going to do, I'll come here under more. Then I'm going to come under visual effects. Then the second tool here called clip speed. I'll just, where there's this clocks, I'll just come and drag it over here, and also I'll come and drag it at the bottom here. Then it will give me this arrow effect. It will show me effect. Then I'll just double click it. Then it will give me this things like clock. Now also it will give me some options here, but now if I want to slow down or speed up the video, what will I do? I just come and drag this. If I drag this like this, it is speeding up. I'll also come again and drag this one here and also speed it up like so. Then if I play now, like so, you can see now it's speeding up. Maybe if I remove the audio, I'll right click and silence the audio, also silence the audio here. Now if I play now I can again come back here and speed this one again. I just double click here, then I'll speed it. I'll drag it to make it more fast. Also this one here, speed it so that they become together. Now if I play, you can see it's becoming faster. I also want to make it more faster. Maybe click again and drag maybe up to there. Let me make sure this one I'm able to see. Then also come and drag it again, this one up to there. Then also drag it again up to there. Then if I play, you can see now it's very fast. Now again, if I want to slow it down, I'll now do the opposite. But before that, let me push these ones here, and then I'll enlarge it so that I can see them. If I want to slow, I'll just pull it, stretch it. Again, this one, stretch it. Let me see. This one, I'll click this one. To click this one, also that I'll stretch it. I'll still stretch it up to there. Then also the other one, I'll come, stretch it like so. Also stretch this one like so. Now if I play, it is very slow. You can see it's very slow. So guys, that's how to speed up a video and slow down a video in Camtasia. Kindly subscribe. You can also give me a thumbs up if you find value in my videos. Have a nice day. Have a nice time. Watch the next video.